Imagine making $100 daily from real websites and without leaving your home. Hey friends, welcome to today's video. So in today's video, I am going to share with you 5 legit platforms that you can start using in 2025 with the potential of making up to $100 and above daily without leaving your home. I am also going to show you how to sign up, the skills required for you to succeed on these platforms, and the AI tools that can be of great assistance to you to enhance your earnings on this platform. So stick with me from the beginning of this video to the end, because the number 5 is a game changer that you will never want to miss. So without wasting any time, let's go straight to the point. So the first on our list is usertesting.com. This platform pays you to review website and apps. And while reviewing the apps or the website, you are expected to record your screen. And after recording your screen, you are expected to give them the feedback based on your experience on the website or the apps. That is what the platform is all about. But now the question is, how do you start making money on this platform? Well, go to this website, create an account, and take a simple test. Once your test is approved, you will start receiving tests through your email, and then you can start working and making money. Now, what are those things that are expected of you on this platform? The number one thing that are expected of you is the fact that you need to be able to explain your thoughts clearly. Secondly, you must be honest, and you must also be able to record all your experience on the app or the website in full details. Now, here comes the AI tools that can be of assistance to you on this platform. You can use Loom AI for better screen recording. This is an AI that will give you efficient results when it comes to screen recording. So on this platform, you earn $10 per 20-minute test. So that means if you can work 4 hours performing 10 to 12 tests, you earn $120 a day. So that means if you can work up to 4 hours, your $100 is sure and guaranteed. Now the second platform we want to talk about is justanswer.com. So like I made mention in my previous video, this platform pays experts in law, health and tech. So if you are an expert in any of these fields, just head over to this website and apply as an expert. Submit your credentials, could be your ID card or your certificate. Once your credentials is approved, you can now start answering questions on your field and then start earning money right away. Now, to succeed on this platform, you must be a medical expert, a legal expert, and also an IT expert. These are the requirements for you to succeed on this platform. Now, the free AI tools that can be of great assistance to you is Perplexity AI and ChatGPT. You can make use of these tools for your research assistant. And this platform pays you between $5 to $50 per question. So that means if you can answer between 5 questions to 20 questions, your $100 a day is sure and guaranteed. The third platform we want to talk about is teachable.com. This platform allows you to create and sell your online course. If you are an expert in a particular field or you are proficient on a particular subject, for example, you can create a course about your subject. Okay, let me explain how it works. All you need to do is to segment your entire course into sections, and maybe on the first day you can handle the introductory part of it, and then perhaps explain the terminologies that your student will actually come across. So after you have successfully introduced your topic to your students and also help them to understand the terminologies that they will come across, on the second day you can now go into the details explanation of what the course or the subject is all about. Maybe on the third day you can now move to the next subheading under that topic. That is how you will keep explaining that particular topic until you cover the whole topic. It depends on how elaborate the topic is. You can use maybe a week to cover a topic or 2 weeks, depending on how elaborate the topic is. So in this way, you'll be able to carry your students along, answering all the necessary questions that they could have regarding what you are teaching. Okay, note that this course could be created in a video format or a text-based format. So if you are creating it in a video format, you can use ChatGPT to create your script and then use Canva to design your graphics or your visual, so that while you are teaching, your student will be seeing what you are explaining. To edit your video, you can use Descript AI. These are AI tools that you can use in creating your course and selling them on teachable.com. So to get started, head over to this website, create an account, and then create your course and upload. Set your price, and once that is done, your course is now ready to start printing money to you. So each project on this platform goes between the price of $20 to $100, depending on the size of your project. But there is no project that goes below $20. So each project costs between $20 to $100. So if you can make up to 5 sales or more in a day, then you will be able to make up to $100 and above in a day. The fourth platform we want to talk about is Rave.com. Rave pays you to listen to an audio files and then type what you hear out. So you listen to an audio files and type it out. That is transcription. Rave also pays you to synchronize subtitle to a video. You are given a video with a title, and what is expected of you is to give a perfect replacement to that subtitle. Okay? So if you are able to provide a perfect replacement to that subtitle, that is captioning. And that is what Rave is all about. So you listen to an audio, you type it out, and also given a subtitle for you to give a perfect replacement of that subtitle. That is what Rave pays you to do on their platform. Now to get started, head over to this website, apply as a transcriptionist or a captioner. Then take a quick grammar and typing test. Once your testing is approved, then you are good to go. However, to succeed on this platform, you must be able to type very fast, at least 50 words or more per minute. So if you can type up to 50 words or more per minute, then you are good to go on Rev platform. Additionally, you must also be a good listener, so that when you are given an audio to listen to, you'll be able to grab what you are listening and be able to type it out. These are the things that are required for you to succeed on Rev platform. And to succeed on this platform, you can use Otter.ai or Descript AI for your transcription service. And your earning ranges between 30 cents to $1 per audio minute you transcribe. That means if you can work up to 4 hours a day, then your $100 is sure and guaranteed. Now let's talk about the fifth platform, and that is our game changer. We are talking about YouTube automation. What do we mean here? We are talking about owning a YouTube channel without showing your face. But how do you earn $100 a day on this platform? So here is how it works. First, you have to choose a profitable niche. Your niche could either be on tech, health, meditation, and finance, any of it. So pick a profitable niche of your choice. Now after picking your niche, you can now start creating videos to post on your channels. Here is how to do it. Use ChatGPT to create your scripts, and you can use Pictree or InVideo to create your videos. But the best among these video creating AI is DeepSmartX or Pro Video app. These two are game changer when it comes to video creation. Although these apps or this AI are not free, they are paid, okay? But when it comes to creating professional videos for your YouTube channel that is faceless, DeepSmartX and Pro Video app is the best among them all. Check the description for the link to these apps or AI. You can use 11 Lab for your voiceover. So to start making money on YouTube without showing your face, you need to upload regularly so as to grow faster and then qualify for monetization, where you are expected to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So with your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you are qualified to receive or to start earning money from ads. Your 1,000 views will give you $5 to $15. That means if you can have one viral video of at least 1 million views, then you'll be making more than $100 from that video alone. Okay, that is just one way of making money from YouTube automation. The second way of making money from YouTube automation is to use your YouTube short videos to promote your affiliate product. You know, YouTube Shorts has the potential of going viral, reaching a larger audience compared to longer videos. So with your YouTube Shorts, you could be making more than $100 if you are promoting your affiliate product through your YouTube short videos. Now, here is how to do it. Head over to your back office, whatever platform that you sign up as an affiliate. Head over to your back office. Now, click on the link of your affiliate product. Now, copy the information about the product you are about to promote, and then paste the information on ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT to give you a professional script to promote your product through YouTube Shorts. And then Chat will design a script in such a way that will attract attention of your viewers. Once that is done, use the script to create your video and then upload your video to your channel. Don't fail to include your affiliate link in the description section of your video, so that while your video will be going viral, your audience will also watch and use your link to buy from you. In that way, you will be making money from YouTube even without monetization. And that your $100 target a day could be faster than you ever think. This is a secret that many affiliate marketers are using, but they do not want you to know. So, start from now to use your YouTube short videos to promote your affiliate product. This is the way to make money on a daily basis without being monetized on YouTube. Remember, all these platforms we've talked about are real proven platforms that you can start making money from today. If you have any challenge signing up to any of these platforms we've talked about, drop it in the comment section. Or maybe you have any question about what we've discussed so far. Don't fail to drop the questions in the comment section and I will attend to it. Please, if you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification so that you will not miss any of my weekly videos. And don't forget to share this video with others to also benefit. And I will see you in the next video.